tile roofs, whether they are high-pitch or low-pitch roofs, needs to be taken care of, and maintenance on them are an ongoing task. The sun bakes down on a zinc roof, and that not only contribute to the deterioration thereof but after a while leave openings for water to penetrate. Mold will form, and that leads to medical issues. Best to keep to a well-organized maintenance plan. This will ensure that one does not run into any problems, no surprises to catch you off guard. Work that was done. Before any work can commence, the roof needs to be cleaned by a high-pressure hose. If there is any defect not previously seen, it will be exposed now. In any case, all dust and debris should be removed from the surface. Any cracked or loose membrane can now be removed, and the surfaces are waterproofed again. Waterproofing of valleys, flashing and plumbous vents must be done thoroughly. A fresh layer of quality UV-resistant paint will protect the waterproofing and the rest of the roof alike. With all flashing, plumbous vents and valleys waterproofed with a membrane, damp foaming inside the roof was restricted. The new paint not only protects the roof but adds to the aesthetics of the property. This well-executed maintenance contract ensures that the occupants are safe against the weather. The property is now well protected against the weather. Tremco again performed well to the task at hand. We did it right. Visit site https://tremco.co.za or call 07327082270.